Hey guys, today I'm going over the 3 best side hustles in the military that you can do online. So no more delivering dominoes or cleaning people's rooms for money. These are gonna be pretty much the 3 methods that I use to make extra money and I've actually scaled and made 5 figures with. On top of this, I've succeeded even though I'm pretty busy, right? I'm an 0311 infantry rifleman in the Marines, active duty. So if you're interested in making money with little time, keep watching this video. So kicking it off at number 3 is gonna be a side hustle that's become extremely popular and mainstream, and that's dropshipping. With this hustle, you can pretty much set up your online store without the need for inventory. I also learned valuable skills like web development, web design, customer service, and management. In the end, I ended up making over 5 figures because I really perfected the techniques and strategies to scale my store. And keep in mind, this is very easy to do. I had little work other than create a store, list products, and then market it. So anybody can do this, and once everything is established with your store, I'd say that it would take 5 to 10 minutes daily to manage it. Now, with this being said, I actually go step by step on creating a successful dropshipping store in my free course. You guys can click on the link below or go to operationentrepreneur.co, and it's a website that we created for military members looking to start their own businesses, and it's completely free. So if that out of the way, taking the number 2 spot is going to be content creation. It's essentially going on social media, posting content that provides some type of value to your viewers, and continue growing your following from there, right? I think that content creation is a very powerful tool, especially in today's society, because there's so many different opportunities it brings. And remember, everybody's online, right? There's also multiple advantages that come with it because you'll be able to create your own brand. So you become an influencer, if you would, and you can monetize your content, which basically means you'll make money off your videos. And the best part is you could market your dropshipping store if you needed to. Now, if you manage to grow your brand as a content creator, the possibilities are endless. And keep in mind, this is extremely doable for anybody. I had no idea I'd become a content creator until my 4th video went viral because I did something that was unique. I never really had the thought of becoming serious with it, let alone growing to 9,000 plus followers and using my brand to make money in such a fast period of time. I'm not even consistent and I still kill it on social media. Now imagine if you were consistent, you'd be able to surpass me and others if you just put in the work. And of course, once you start growing your brand, it's gonna become way easier because more people will see it, the more will share, yada yada, and growth will become easy. Now this is also something that is taught in our free course. And now our top pick at number 1 is going to be freelancing. Freelancing is selling a skill set, and it is extremely profitable because there's always a demand for something, especially digital. Remember, this is online, so you will need a skill set like web development, graphic design, or video editing. And these are skills that are very easy to learn. When I started creating my dropshipping stores, with it, I learned website development, and now I'm able to create professional sites on any platform like Shopify, Wix, or GoDaddy. And I actually made a lot of money from selling my skills on websites like Fiverr because of a few things. So you have people that want to save time. On top of that, they also want someone better than them to do what they need. Like I said, it's easy to learn a skill, and the demand for digital skills are much higher than ever before. That should be a given, especially because simple business models like dropshipping have taken over the internet. That is such an easy way to capitalize. Again, you can easily learn the skill of website development through dropshipping in our free course. So if you don't have success with dropshipping, guess what? You can easily fall back on this freelancing and still make tons of money. So there you have it, guys, the top 3 online side hustles that can help you guys bring in extra income in the military. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and make sure to like and subscribe if you did learn something. And as always, if you're serious about getting out of the military wealthy, make sure to check us out on operationentrepreneur.co. I will leave a link in the description for our dropshipping course where you will be able to learn step by step on creating a successful store as well as marketing it. Now, as a bonus, you'll be able to get 3 months of Shopify for just $1. Other than that, thank you guys all for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.